Good morning. My name is Leandro León, and my group is Aaron Díaz, Franco Gallardo, Vicente Cáceres, and Tomás Gómez from Tercero E. Today I am going to explain step how to set up a basic circuit using a 1N4007 diode and resistor with a breadboard and a 12-volt power supply.
Step B. Step Guide to building a circuit in Proteus. 1. Open Proteus and start a new project. 2. Find the 1N4007 component by clicking the P button and searching for it. Insert it into the schematic. 3. Add a battery by clicking the P button and searching for battery. Insert it into the schematic. 4. Add a resistor by clicking the P button and searching for resistors. Choose the first one and insert it into the schematic. 5. Add the measurement tools, ammeter and voltmeter, by clicking the icon with a white square and blue and red line. Insert them into the schematic. Six. Connect the components by clicking the left mouse button and connecting each pin. Ensure the ammeter is series with the diode and wires, and the voltmeter is parallel with the diode. The diode circuit is now complete, and you can measure its current and voltage.